Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this LG phone. This is an LG LS777. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, make sure the phone is off. This one is off. Okay. It's super easy to do it, but when you don't know how to do things, sometimes it's difficult. I remember when I was learning how to fix the devices, it was really hard for me. So I watched videos on YouTube, and they helped me a lot. Okay, so you just go around, and right here, see by the charging port connector here, right here is a little space open where you can insert your nail. You see, it come up so easy. So right here you can see the battery. This is the battery, and there is a space like for your nail. Just go like this and push it up. Okay, and this is the model right here. Like I said, is LG LS777. Okay, and to put it, to replace the battery, just grab the battery, and this is the battery, and you see the gold connections here. It goes right there, so you just go like right there and push it. Okay, make sure it's connected well, and then to replace the cover back, just go put it on the top. Make sure you put it the right way, see, and then go press. Make sure it clicks like you hear right now. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay guys, I hope my video helped you, and you like my video. Please check my other videos, give me a like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you so much.